The 2025 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid Premium Plus boasts a sleek and bold design with a sculpted body, flared fenders, and an athletic stance. Presented by Berge Mazda, its signature front grille is paired with adaptive LED headlights for a confident road presence, while 20-inch alloy wheels and available roof rails enhance its rugged elegance. A panoramic moonroof and a range of premium paint options, including Soul Red Crystal, elevate its visual appeal. Under the hood, the CX-50 Hybrid Premium Plus features a robust hybrid powertrain that blends a 2.5-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor for a combined output of 227 horsepower, with standard I-Active all-wheel drive. This SUV delivers smooth handling and traction on various terrains. Its fuel efficiency, over 35 miles per gallon combined, ensures fewer stops and more adventures. The rear seats are thoughtfully designed for comfort and versatility. With generous legroom and recline functionality, passengers can relax during long drives. A 60/40 split folding design allows for increased cargo space, making it easy to transition from passenger comfort to hauling gear for road trips or outdoor activities. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes sophistication. Premium materials, including Napa leather upholstery and wood accents, create a luxurious feel. Heated and ventilated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and an intuitive layout enhance the driving experience, ensuring comfort for all passengers. Mazda prioritizes safety with its I-Active Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. A 360-degree camera, parking sensors, and traffic jam assist provide added confidence in tight situations. Advanced collision mitigation features like automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection enhance overall security. The CX-50 Hybrid Premium Plus is equipped with a 12.3-inch center display, featuring Mazda Connect, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. A 12-speaker Bose premium audio system immerses passengers in crystal-clear sound. Additionally, the built-in navigation system and wireless charging pad ensure seamless connectivity and convenience on the go. Convenience shines with features like a hands-free power liftgate, keyless entry, and a memory driver's seat. Remote start and smartphone app integration allow users to adjust settings or check the vehicle's status from anywhere. Multiple USB-C ports ensure that everyone stays powered up during the ride. The 2025 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid Premium Plus combines refined design, eco-conscious performance, and cutting-edge technology to create a versatile and stylish SUV. It's perfect for drivers seeking a premium hybrid experience without compromising comfort, capability, or safety. You can view our selection at bergemazda.com. Give us a call at 480-498-5614 or visit our showroom today.